Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 7 hairstyles for a full week of 1-minute hairstyles that we do on busy mornings when we only have a minute or two to get the hair done, but we want to do something a little bit more than just a ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing this, just keep watching. The first hairstyle we're going to do is a rope twist connected in the back, and the rest of the hair is going to be down. The way you do a rope twist is you divide the hair into 2 pieces, and you're going to twist the strands to the right and cross them over the left. The reason I'm doing a rope twist instead of a braid is because a rope twist actually takes less time. So I'm just going to continue twisting to the back of the hair. And then you can either clip it in place to hold it until you've done doing the other side, or you can ask your child to hold it. And then I'm going to repeat that on the other side. I'm just going to grab a small piece at the front, divide it into 2 strands, twist the hair to the right and cross it over the left. You want to make sure on a rope twist that you're constantly twisting to the right as you're crossing it over. Then I'm just going to grab both pieces of hair, pull them to the back, and I'm going to hold them together with an elastic. And I think adding a bow to this style really helps to finish it off. Bows just make styles look so much more put together. And that is our first 1-minute hairstyle. The next style we do quite a bit. So what I'm doing for this is I'm doing a half-up bun. So I'm just going to create a small rectangle of hair at the top of my daughter's hair. So you just want to do a part line on either side and then also in the back. And then I'm going to use some spray gel to get all of those flyaways held down in place and just comb them through. Next, I'm going to take a thick elastic to hold this hair in place. Then I'm just going to simply take that ponytail, twist it up, and wrap it around until all of the hair is around the circle in a bun. And I'm just holding it down to the head. Next, I'm just going to take a couple of bobby pins to hold it securely in place. And that's it. I think this hairstyle is really adorable and looks cute on any weekday morning. The next hairstyle we do quite a bit is our Elsa braid. So to do this, you just want to sweep all of the hair over to the right side or whatever side you're more comfortable braiding on. And then you're just going to do a thick braid all the way down. But what makes the Elsa braid more than just a regular braid is you want to pancake it so it looks nice and full. So to do that, I'm just going to simply take a strand on the side and just gently tug at the edge of the braid. This will just make it look a lot more fuller, and I don't do it too much on weekday mornings because I want this to hold all day, but I do it ever so slightly and it makes a big difference. Once you're done pancaking, you just want to tie it off at the bottom with a clear elastic. And that is our 1-minute Elsa braid. The next hairstyle we do is a side swept bun. If you put anything on the side, it makes it look a little bit more interesting. So all I'm going to do for this is take her hair and I'm going to sweep it over, and we're going to do a low bun. So you want to put in a low ponytail with the hair using a thick elastic. Then on my last time around, I'm just going to pull the hair through halfway. Then with the remaining hair, I'm going to wrap it around, and then I'm just going to scrunch all this hair up into a messy bun. Then I'm going to take a clear elastic and I'm going to wrap it around all of that hair. Now usually I have to put in 2 so it holds nice and tight in place. So I'll take it again and then put in another clear elastic because my daughter has really thick hair. Now with this hair sticking out, I'm just going to bobby pin it down to the head and just kind of pull and tug till the bun looks the way I want it to. It doesn't need to be perfect at all. This is a messy bun. And then I think to finish off this style, putting a bow on the side really makes it look nice and put together. And that is our side bun. The next hairstyle we do often is a side high ponytail. And you might think that that is a super easy style, but it has a little variation to a ponytail, and it's one that we do when we're just in a hurry to get out the door. But what I want to show you with this is I use this black brush here to really smooth the hair down so that I don't have any bumps in the hair. So I'm going to be spending my time really smoothing the hair down. Once I get it in place the way I want it to be, I'm going to put in another thick elastic to hold it in place. Now, my other tip, if your daughter has thick hair like mine does, you want to use 2 elastics. That is just going to hold this hair up so much better throughout the day. And the way to make this pop is by putting in a really big side pony. This is one of our JoJo bows that we have. And that is how we do our side pony. The next style we're going to do is a really quick lace braid. These are so quick and you could do them in just a few minutes. So you want to take a small chunk of hair at the front and you're going to start doing a 3-strand braid. Now when you go back over on the top side, you're going to pull hair over and then you're going to pick up a chunk of hair and you're going to add it to the middle strand that you just crossed over. Then you'll go back to the bottom side and cross the hair over, but you're not going to add any hair here. Now go back to the top strand, cross that over, and pick up a chunk of hair to add. Go back to your bottom side and don't add any hair. And then your top side, you want to add a chunk of hair as well. Now the reason this braid is really quick is I don't add that many strands to it. So I'm just going to add a couple on the top side, and then once I'm done adding a few strands of hair in, I'll just braid it down to the bottom and tie it off with an elastic. This quick little braid looks so cute and it literally takes a minute to do. If you guys are liking these styles, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel so much and we really appreciate all of your support. And this is our half up lace braid. Now to add on to this style, if your kiddos are in sports or activities after school and they need a quick hair up look, all you need to do is create a low side ponytail with the rest of the hair, and I'm just smoothing it out. And then you're just going to simply place this braid into the ponytail once you get all of the hair smoothed out. And you have a totally different hairstyle, but it's a quick way to put the hair up and one that we do quite a bit. I hope you guys liked our 1-minute hairstyles. Let me know in the comments what style was your favorite. And if you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. We post new tutorials on Wednesdays and Saturdays.